அந்த காலத்துல உனக்கு பிடிச்சது டிரைவின். அந்த டிரைவின் எது?
ஜாவா மோட்டர் பைக். ஜாவா மோட்டர் பைக்.
So there's always a craze for two-stroke engines among bikers. So especially in this era of four-stroke, everybody wants to feel the power of two-stroke at least once, you know. So I have such a legendary bike here with me today. This is not a review or something. I just want to show you the rare breed of bike. It's the Yezdi Roadking 250, and I am Purush. I make videos on travel and biking. So if you like my content, consider subscribing to my channel so that keeps me motivated and makes me feel that what I'm doing is right and there are people to watch it. Thank you so much. Let's get into the vlog.
Hello guys, today is a special vlog. So we have a vintage bike over here, the Yezdi Roadking 250. So this bike is from 1980s. So I have the key with me. So let me show you the bike. So the bike is powered with a 250cc engine, and it's a two-stroke engine. It has two silencers, and the power output is 18 horsepower at 5000 rpm, and torque is 18.2 newton meter of torque at around 4250 rpm. So that's about the bike. So let's crank the engine. So this bike, the kicker itself acts as a gear. So it's 2-in-1 process. Just have to press it and then lift it. So let's start.